dance anytime before you start dancing. All right, here we go. Good job, guys. Alright guys, so the combo starts just before the fast part of the lyrics, and you're going to start with your hands interlaced, and you're going to come down, and then as she says crime, you're going to come up with the lyrics. So it goes cry, and you can initiate that from your foot and through your back all the way to your shoulders and finally to your hands. Alright, so that goes up, you stand up. I'm just going to break it down into little parts for the quick lyrics because they're very fast and a lot is happening. So, the first part, we came up, we go. Just the moves first. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and push. Ba, ba, pull. Okay, just that bit. So it goes. We go. It's bitter, sweet to see the damage that we do. Okay, so that leg's going to come out a little bit and make sure that your legs are open when you do that bit. One more time. And it's bittersweet to see the damage that we do. Okay, and let that fall out. Good. front attitude, arms across. You go. Boom. And then you step back and break into a flex layout. Okay? So you go up and break. Okay? Then you go through, push down, up, in, jump, and arch it up all the way around. Yes. We bring our knee in, we do elbow, elbow, so knee comes in. 1, 2, 3, circle, 4, 5, and hit. And drop it. With the words,